The Science and Technology Directorate presents Month in a Minute, a quick roundup highlighting some recent S&T activities. We deployed 2 technologies to Super Bowl 60 to assist the league, stadium staff, and local authorities with keeping everyone at the game safe. What's next for the Rapid Barrier and Guardian Eyes video analytics platform? We're working to bring their security capabilities to FIFA World Cup events this summer. Undersecretary Allende toured Custom and Border Protection's Interdict Science Center in Virginia. While there, our team and Pacific Northwest National Laboratory colleagues demoed our cutting-edge vapor detection technology that can rapidly identify drugs like fentanyl, cocaine, and ketamine. We also visited CBP's Field Operations Canine Training Academy and observed some of the finest drug detection teams in the world testing advanced S&T drug vapor training aids. S&T's Transportation Security Laboratory brought government and industry together to discuss ways to improve aviation security data sharing. The Industry Day event marked the start of a new framework for a public-private data consortium tasked with setting guidelines and capacity for developing, testing, and deploying security screening products to airports faster and more efficiently than ever. Finally, our First Responder Technologies Program and National Urban Security Technology Laboratory launched a 2-month field assessment of AirComm, a drone system equipped with cameras and public address speakers for emergency response and event security. The ongoing testing in Iowa and California will assess functions like maneuverability, sound quality, and audio range in real-world scenarios. See you again next month. Until then, check out more in-depth S&T news at scitech.dhs.gov and at DHS SciTech on social.